What is up you guys, Ayo, it's Lance again on your screen and welcome back to another tutorial. We are headed towards a new year, 2024, and it's not that bad to look back from the past 12 months this 2023. That's why in this tutorial, I will be guiding you to make a short video highlight to wrap up your year, so prepare your phone, laptop, or computer for us to get started. I know that you don't like to spend so much time in editing while it's holidays or there are upcoming celebrations in your homes with your family. That's why in this video, I prepared a template from Filmora 30 that you can use to wrap up your 2023 and showcase some stunning pictures as well as memorable moments of yours this year without breaking a sweat. To do this, open your Filmora 13. If you haven't installed it yet, you may download it for free using the link in the description below. Now, go to Templates, type Memoirs, and download this first template entitled Memoirs of 2022. Yes, I know, it's from last year, but you don't have to worry about it because this template can be customized. Let's download it and have a preview for a moment so that you know what it looks like. Now, we can add it to our editing timeline, just drag and drop it. And as you can see, it's a single clip only, but we can expand it to see what's inside and how many pictures or videos do we need to create a year-end wrap-up for your social media. Once you click expand, you'll see that there are a bunch of clips inside this template. All in all, I've counted that there are 33 pictures that can be replaced in this template, so go ahead and prepare your best pictures each month that you would love to include in this video, and of course some other filler pictures for some parts of this template. Once they're ready, import your media files here. And now let's try to drag and drop one picture, but to replace a picture from this template, you may hold Alt key while dragging and drop it over the picture that you want to replace. You'll see a plus sign that will appear indicating that you will replace that clip with a new one. So there you go. Do it with the rest of the pictures that you want to replace. And once you're done, let's now move on to the text in this template. First, replace all the text including the year 2022 with 2023 so that it's updated. And replace 2023 with 2024 because we're now welcoming a new year a few days from now. First example is this clip. Double click so that we can replace this 2022 with 2023 as well as this one, and this one. Let's replace this Hello 2023 with Hello 2024. Another 2022. Let's replace it with 2023. And now let's go with the outro. Replace this 2022 with 2023. Also this Hi 2023. Let's replace it with Hi 2024. And then we're done. If you want to replace some other texts or titles, you may do so. Expand your creativity just like what Filmora 13 always say. For the audio, I highly suggest that you use this wonderful background music from the template because it's synced with the beats. But if you find any other background music that fits with the template, of course you are free to customize it. If you're already satisfied with your editing, let's now export it and see the results. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope that this one would be a helpful video for you. If you like it, don't forget to hit that like button. Ayo, it's Lance and I'm signing off. Don't forget to subscribe. keep creating, and I'll see you next time.